Alright, so this is the final video of the assessment one for the eCampus / Targa Polytech IT course, IT Essentials part. Assessment one, so as you can see I've already hooked up or turned on the keyboard and mouse, which is on a lap board, Corsair lap board, keyboard and mouse. It's wirelessly connected to the TV, so it's intended as a gaming machine / media PC. That's why I've hooked it up to the TV. So cool, let's go over and boot it up. Hopefully it works. So you can see what it looks like here. So as I said yesterday, it's running an all-in-one cooler, Leon LAN 360mm, which is connected to a i7 6 series 3.2 gigahertz 6-core processor, i7. It's got a running on a Gigabyte G1 Gaming X99 motherboard. Now this particular motherboard has 8 slots for RAM. At the moment it's running 4 DDR4 8 gig to 4 hertz RAM slots with heat sinks on them. So it's 32 gigs RAM in total. It's running a very embarrassingly old graphics card, an HD 54060, and it's also running a 1 gig SD card in the back behind there, an M2 slot. Whoops. So connect up to the monitor. Let's push play. Turn TV on too. The remote. Fingers crossed it works. Probably should have turned the TV on first, I'd say. That's okay. There we go. As you can see, we'll just go into the BIOS. I think I might have missed that. That's okay. I think I missed the BIOS. Yeah, I've got to be fairly quick with the BIOS. Within the first 10 seconds of it turning on, should come up with a prompt. Most of the time it's delete, but sometimes it's F9 and F11 as well. Oh, that's alright. Just got to change this to wireless, because the cool thing about this keyboard is that and mouse is that it can be wireless, USB, or Bluetooth. So I can switch between my laptop with Bluetooth and the wireless media PC without needing to change it over. Cool. So as you can see, I've logged in successfully. Type my code in. Oops. One more time. Fast boot up because it is bigger, because it is an SSD card that Windows is running off. So as I said, there's mouse. We're going to just host name, spell it right this time. Oops, what's happening there? GST host name, enter, and you can see the, oh, there you go. I'll just bring it closer so you can see the name, and then we're just going to go to here. Right click on this. I did that last time too. Right click on that, and then you can see it's the same specs. So there we have it. Didn't run into too much problems apart from the paste. So I should have probably just refreshed the entire thermal paste. Would have done that next time. A cable got stuck in the back there, so I had to pull the panel off at the back, which I wasn't intending on. Came up with a genius idea to do that front panel by taping it up, so that was nice and easy. So apart from that, nah, there was no problems at all. Happy days.